Famous Cyber Amos. All things tech.
Here's how to add startup apps in Elementary OS. First, go into application, type in startup, select this application to startup, and in here go into the startup and go and add startup apps. Over here, choose which app you want. For now, in this demonstration, we will choose monitor. You can turn it off if you want. Then next time you want, you can turn it on, or you can just delete it from it. Alright, so let's add startup apps again. Add the monitor, double click on it, and that's it. So now we'll go and restart the machine, and here it is, it's working. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Below is my previous videos, to the center is my other videos, and to the side of it is my playlist for different topics in different playlists. You can check that out for my previous and future videos that is to come. So thank you for watching. Famous Cyber Amos signing out.